Cool beans. Welcome to the midweek fundamental and technical analysis. Um, Before I get into it, just let me get a disclaimer that this is for educational purposes only. Nothing that I share during this class is for financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Cool beans, cool beans. Let's get into it. Looking back at the beginning of the week technical analysis, I drew you guys' attention to Monday's um, price action, right? And I told you guys that I wanted to see price pull back up into the premium arrays of Monday's price action, right? That would be 104.814 and 104.922. Go back and review the beginning of the week uh, video on YouTube to confirm what it is that I'm telling you. But this is what I shared with you guys Monday night. I wanted to see DXY pull back up into the premium PD arrays for Monday's price range, right? In the pre-week analysis, I told you guys Sunday that I expected the dollar to open up and pull down into this weekly PD array, discount array that is, for last week's price range, right? Those black levels that we have in there are uh last a daily discount array from Tuesday's price action, right? And I told you guys I wanted to see us pull down into those levels, be it that weekly discount array and daily discount arrays in the pre-week analysis. And then when Monday price range played out and then Monday night's class, I told you guys that I expected the dollar to pull back up into Monday's premium PD array. So going forward for the rest of the week, I mean, me myself, I'm pretty much done trading for the week. I already reached my weekly goals, so I try to hit my weekly goals early in the week so I can take the rest of the week off and focus on other things and other aspects of life. Um, but for tape reading purposes and bias purposes, what I see for the rest of the week is I'm kind of neutral right now, and I'll tell you why. At the moment, because we have three high impacting news drivers for tomorrow, right? So if I was to do anything, it would be after we have because tomorrow we have um let me see. Tomorrow we have core PPI at 8:30, and we have core retail sales, and then we have PPI month to month at 8:30 as well, and retail sales month to month, and then we have unemployment claim all coming out at 8:30. So I definitely wouldn't be trading around 8:30 tomorrow if I was still in the markets. But however, after that news settles, then there there should be some beautiful price action in the market, so to say, and we'll have the opening bell at 9:30, New York opening bell, and I'll be looking to see if we get a nice silver bullet sell up from 10 to 11. So that's what I would be looking for. If I was to just give you guys my bias, right? Where I anticipate price going, it would be I would like to see um the dollar continue to push higher. Um, I mean, we did pull back down into that weekly 62% discount array, right? And then we pushed back up into Monday's daily premium array, right? Those widths, right, are very exaggerated. So I would like to see if we can get back above that 79% PD array level from Monday's price action for me to be confirmed on the bullish move to the upside to go ahead and fill in this daily volume imbalance, right? Other than that, um, if we can't break and close above the 79% of Monday's price range, then I would like to see a come back down and run that 79% discount array from last week's price action. So the weekly 79% PD array level is what I would like to see if we can't break and close above the 79% PD array level of Monday's price. So that's what I expect out of the dollar, and that's what I'll be paying attention to out of the dollar. Either a break and close above Monday's premium or a rejection of Monday's premium and a continuation to the weekly discount level, 79% level at the bottom. So that's what I'm looking for out of the dollar. Looking at Euro USD really quick. I told you guys, you know that Euro USD is inversely correlated with the dollar, meaning it moves in the opposite direction. So I wanted to see us pull back down into Monday's discount level. That's what I told you guys Monday night, moving forward for Tuesday. I wanted to see us pull back down into Monday's discount levels. So we got that pull down yesterday and today. I would expect price to pull back up into today's premium level, right? Um, if we're going to continue to the downside, right? If the dollar if the dollar can break Monday's premium and continue up, then I would expect us to break through Monday's discount and continue down, right? And vice versa. So with that news coming out tomorrow, like I said, we may see, well, we're definitely going to see some manipulation in price action. And so I expect to see maybe the dollar in currencies as well as futures moving in the same direction for a little while during those news releases, right? For the manipulation. And then we should see things get back into the normal correlation of things, so to say. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for out of Euro USD. Moving to ES, right? I told you guys Monday that I wanted to see us pull down into Monday's price action, right? That premium level discount PD array levels. I've erased them already, but I had them on Monday's price action, which was this candle here, right? And we can see that price did pull back down into the count levels, right? Not only did we pull back down into those discount levels, we broke below where we wick below that daily volume imbalance that I have identified right here, but the bodies respected that volume imbalance, right? And so that leads me to believe that if we are going to continue to the downside to run these weekly lows, right here, this weekly low from last week, well, previous week's low, let me rephrase that. And that is a monthly consequent encroachment that you see right there beside it, this line right here. There's a monthly consequent encroachment from last month's wick, right, on the monthly time frame. So if we can't push back above Tuesday's premium array levels, then I will be expecting price to run that weekly sell side liquidity in that weekly sell side liquidity in that monthly consequent encroachment, right? So that's what I'll be expecting out of ES and across futures going forward for the rest of the week. Looking at E-mini Dow, right? We got that pullback that we wanted to see, but we had some mean wick to the upside yesterday for E-mini Dow. I don't think too many of us trade E-mini Dow. I think we got like one person in the Telegram group that trades E-mini Dow, and they trade U30 on indices, Forex broker. So that's kind of sort of different. And NQ, you guys can see that we did get that pull back down into Monday's discount PD array level, right, from Monday call. That's what we was expecting. And today price reached back up into yesterday's premium PD array levels from yesterday's price range. So same thing for NQ. If the dollar pushes down, right, to run that 79% of that weekly discount PD array, I expect us to run up um, and run this daily buy side liquidity for NQ. And if um, and if the dollar pushes up through that daily premium PD array, then I will expect NQ to run down um to run this weekly sell side liquidity. I don't have it marked, but it's right here on last Thursday's candle at 15,352. So that's what I'm expecting out of futures across the board. And it's almost 8:30 on the dot. And I'm gonna go ahead and let that conclude the technical analysis, the midweek technical analysis for today. And I'm gonna go ahead and pass it over to Carmen so she can give us the midweek fundamental analysis and the sauce that she's bringing tonight. So I'm gonna pass it over to Carmen. It's all yours, Carmen. You with us, Carmen? Should I say unicorn? It's all yours. Carmen having trouble unmuting. Yeah. I made you the host, Carmen, so you should be good now. Carmen having some technical issues, everybody. She's gonna leave and come back in. While we wait.
But tweet about it. How easy it is to not confront our problems, but rather open Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and mindlessly scroll. How easy it is to leave that message unread and go about our lives, because that's easier than saying what needs to be said. Strength is being the one amidst all this escapism and avoidance to confront what must be confronted. Whether it's an interaction with someone else or that hard conversation with yourself, a personal change that must take place. Life is such a gift. It's such an opportunity. But we have to move through it with our eyes open. We have to see things that matter and gravitate towards truths that will shape us. Like Mr. B said over 20 years ago now, we can't ever fall into the mentality of holding our hands up to the sky and asking life to give us anything. We can't only point at ourselves when things go the way we want them to go.
Seems like Carmen audio is having a hard time connecting. I see it trying to connect, but it's not connecting for some reason, Carmen. Uh, Obviously, Carmen's having some technical issues tonight. I'm just gonna ask her to drop the midweek fundamentals in the Telegram group. And then if possible, I will drop them in the Discord as well. So with that being said, I appreciate everybody tuning in tonight, coming out to get this knowledge and empower yourselves. Let your family and friends know you love them while they still here, please. And as always, peace and love, everybody. You know.